Hello everyone, MJ Miraki Cosmetics have brought a totally new product for you. MJ Miraki Natural Aloe Vera Extract Mousse Cleanser which can be used professionally as well as जो लोग घर में बैठे हैं वो इसका बखूबी फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं. MJ Miraki Cleanser has a special built-in brush which you can use for cleansing and for makeup removal. It is totally natural and herbal. You can have the live demo. I have put the lipstick on her hand and with the help of the cleanser and the brush is very soft, so इसका skin पे कोई side effect नहीं है बल्कि it has a very soothing effect. It will never rash your skin. It is totally natural and herbal, so it will never cause you any acne. It is totally anti-acne. Just within a few seconds, the makeup will be removed. It has a whitening effect. You can see the difference. Now I have put the black cake liner on her hand. इसका ब्रश बहुत सॉफ्ट है जिसकी वजह से मेकअप विद इन अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स रिमूव हो जाएगा एंड इट हैज़ अ डीप क्लेंजिंग इफेक्ट. स्किन के अंदर के तक ये पोर्स को साफ करता है. यू कैन गेट इट फ्रॉम द नंबर 032352000062.